In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Notion. If you're just getting started or you want a cleaner, faster way to format your notes, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to create bullet lists using simple shortcuts and Notion's built-in commands, so your pages stay neat and easy to scan. Let's begin with the quickest approach: keyboard and markdown style shortcuts. When you're on a new line, type a hyphen and then press the space bar. The moment you hit space, Notion automatically converts that line into a bulleted list item. This method is great when you're typing rapidly and want to keep your hands on the keyboard without breaking your flow. Think of it as a lightweight trigger that turns plain text into a bullet on the fly. Prefer a different feel? You can do the exact same thing with an asterisk. Start on a fresh line, type an asterisk, and press space. You'll get the same clean bullet point. Some people find the asterisk more natural if they're used to traditional markdown. Either way, the result is identical: a tidy bulleted list that's ready for your ideas. There's also a plus sign option. On a new line, type a plus and press space. Once again, Notion recognizes the symbol and instantly drops in a bullet. The choice between hyphen, asterisk, and plus is really about comfort and habit. Use the one your fingers reach for fastest. They all produce the same formatted list, so you won't have to worry about mismatched styles later. Now, if you like being deliberate about the blocks you add, Notion's command menu gives you a precise way to insert bullets. Move your cursor to a fresh line, type a / followed by the word bullet, and you'll see the command menu filter to the bulleted list option. Hit enter to place your first block. This approach is especially handy if you're already using /commands for headings, toggles, or callouts, and want to keep everything consistent through the command palette. A quick tip for all of these methods: make sure you start at the beginning of a clean line. That's how Notion recognizes the symbol or command and converts it into a bullet right away. Once you've placed your first bullet using any of these methods, you can continue capturing your thoughts with the same smooth rhythm. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.